Ferruccio Lamborghini was a man of simple beginnings. He was born into a family of farmers. This was in Italy in 1916. After World War II, Lamborghini saw an opportunity. Italy needed tractors. He used his mechanical skills to meet this demand. His company, Lamborghini Trattori, thrived. Lamborghini became a wealthy man. He indulged in his passion for cars. Ferraris were his favorites. But he saw flaws in their design. Lamborghini believed he could build a better sports car, one that was powerful, reliable, and luxurious. He met with Enzo Ferrari to discuss his ideas, but Ferrari dismissed him. This ignited a rivalry for the ages. Ferruccio Lamborghini was not deterred. He founded Automobili Lamborghini in 1963. His goal was clear: to create the perfect sports car. Lamborghini's early success came from his understanding of engines. He had a keen eye for talent. He recruited talented engineers. These included Giotto Bizzarini and Gianpaolo Dallara. These men shared Lamborghini's vision. They wanted to build a car that surpassed Ferrari. The first Lamborghini car was unveiled at the 1963 Turin Motor Show. It was a stunning revelation. The 350 GT was an instant success. It was sleek and powerful. The car boasted a V12 engine. This engine was designed by Bizzarini. It was a masterpiece of engineering. The 350 GT established Lamborghini as a serious contender. The automotive world took notice, but Lamborghini was just getting started. He wanted to innovate further. He aimed to redefine the supercar segment. This led to the creation of the Lamborghini Miura. Unveiled in 1966, the Miura was revolutionary. It was the first supercar with a mid-engine layout. This design placed the engine behind the driver. It was a radical concept. This delivered superior weight distribution. The result was unparalleled handling and performance. The Miura was an instant sensation. It became the world's fastest production car. Celebrities and enthusiasts craved the Miura. It became a status symbol. The Miura cemented Lamborghini's legacy. It solidified their place in automotive history. The Miura was more than just a car. It was a statement of intent. Lamborghini had arrived. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Lamborghini continued to innovate. They introduced iconic models like the Countach. The Countach was famous for its futuristic design. Its signature feature was its upward-opening doors. These became known as scissor doors. These doors became synonymous with the Lamborghini brand. The LM002 was another bold statement. It was a high-performance off-road vehicle. The LM002 earned the nickname Rambo Lambo. This showcased Lamborghini's versatility. They weren't afraid to experiment. Despite these successes, Lamborghini faced challenges. The global economic climate was turbulent. The company changed ownership several times. Despite the uncertainty, Lamborghini's spirit persevered. The Diablo replaced the Countach in 1990. The Diablo continued Lamborghini's tradition. It was powerful, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. The Diablo became another icon. It was featured in movies, music videos, and posters worldwide. It solidified Lamborghini's image as a maker of extreme machines. In 1998, Audi AG acquired Lamborghini. This marked a turning point. Audi, part of the Volkswagen Group, brought stability. They also provided resources. This allowed Lamborghini to flourish. The early 2000s saw the introduction of the Murcielago. This was a fitting successor to the Diablo. It boasted a 6.2-litre V12 engine. The Gallardo followed. This was a more affordable Lamborghini. It broadened the brand's appeal. The Gallardo became Lamborghini's best-selling model. Today, Lamborghini continues to push boundaries. The Aventador replaced the Murcielago. It features a powerful V12 engine. The Huracan, a smaller, nimbler offering, joined the lineup. These cars represent the pinnacle of supercar performance. Lamborghini has embraced the future. They recognize the need for sustainability. They have introduced hybrid models. The Sian FKP37 was a limited edition hybrid supercar. It showcased Lamborghini's commitment to electrification. Lamborghini's future is electric. The company plans to offer hybrid versions of all its models by 2024. A fully electric Lamborghini is expected by the end of the decade. The Raging Bull is charging into the future. It remains committed to performance, innovation, and stunning design.